Would you be my girl? Would you be my girl?
Eyes upon your fingers worth a fortune, but it doesn't matter. He don't know you went to Paris when he asked for your hand, but he don't love you, he don't love you. I would give you something that no other